Hello everyone, welcome to Quantishares Nepal YouTube channel again. Today I am going to presenting to you that how we can create a QR code using CSPro. If you are a new audience for this channel, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel, and also would like to request you to watch all CSPro related videos and others that I have uploaded in this channel before jumping into this video. First of all, you have to open your CSPro program and go to the tool menu, and under tool menu deploy application. And if you look at this menu, you should have to click on the drop box, and you can see the QR code in the corner, and you have to click on this, right? You can save this QR code into your designated folder and can share with your colleague so that they can scan and download your CSPro program. This is it for today, and goodbye for now.